Good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to do a little journal flip. I made this journal just a little while back and I hadn't shown it off to anybody online yet, so I really wanted to show everybody. It's sort of a Midori style, traveler's notebook style journal in that the inside pieces come out. The cover wraps over, and then the inserts or signatures actually are on elastic bands. I'm hunting them. Come on now, where are you? They're put in with elastic bands, so you can take out your inserts if you want to. Now, I got this idea for the inserts from Dawn at Let's Make a Mess Today. I think she said she had seen it from Liz Drake. I haven't seen Liz's video yet, but I watched Dawn's video and I just really wanted to play with the envelopes and the crayons and the watercolor, so that's what I did. This is a cover. The cover wraps around, like I said. It's my Flower Power journal because it's also nice and bright. I painted some mixed media paper to make the journal covers out of because this is a little bigger than normal. I made it based on the envelopes, so it is, let's see, the inserts are 5 by 9.5 or so. So because that's the size the envelopes were. So and there's 2 inserts, and so I had to have some bigger cardstock, and I used mixed media paper and watercolored it, and then actually Mod Podged over the top so that it's got a nice slick finish. Dawn had played with using crayons and then as a resist on the envelopes and then watercoloring over them, and I just loved it. It was really a lot of fun. I'm not a crayon person. I don't like crayons, so I had to actually go buy crayons, which is unusual. But then I made some of the flower paper clips to go in it. Again, there's a tutorial on that. I'll try to make sure I link it. I will also link to Dawn's video so that you can see Dawn's video. Okay, why do you not want to go back in there? There we go. Let me just flip through it so you can see it. I did all of the crayon resist and then watercolored over the top of it. Of course, it had to have some tuck spots and some journal cards, little journaling spots, little bookmark, or a journal spot for that matter. I did some flips in here, and of course it just called out to be 60s themed, so we had to have a little van and some more journal spots, cards, lots of tags and tuck cards, and of course this is an envelope that you can put things into. And this is all made with junk mail envelopes. Now this is a piece of my faux vellum. I'll make sure you get a link to that tutorial too. I just finished it up, and it's up on my videos. I make little crocheted flowers, so it had to have some bright colored crocheted flowers. Another envelope. This one's just cut in half. This is like a little belly band with some more journal spots and tucks in it. Gotta have lots and lots of places to journal. Lots of bright colors. I used some of the paper that I had punched. Decorate that part. Again, some fun tags, journal spots. And I like to use the stitching tails to make bookmarks, so that's what those are, is bookmarks. There's another flip, another place to journal. I made a little paper clip with one of my crocheted flowers. Oops. I just love the bright colors of the watercolor. This is another piece of the faux vellum. More tags. Again, more tags and tuck spots. This one's got another van on it. Little peace flower. I think this is a life journal card. Lots of fun, bright colors. Another flip, another tip in. And that's the first signature. The second signature is basically the same, lots more bright colors. The crayon, resist, bookmarks, tags, tuck spots, little glimmer mist. These are fun. These were napkin decoupage, collage pieces with napkins. Okay, so not only did my noisy stopwatch go off, my husband decided he needed me, so I'm going to attempt to put two pieces together. Anyways, I backed up a little bit, and hopefully this will all work out. If not, you get to watch a few things twice. This is was made with some collage of some napkins and things. So is this. This is the underlayer of the napkin. Lots of fun things tucked in here. Another one of the little paper clips with my crocheted flowers on them. We had to have a yellow submarine, and there's a nice little tip in with some glimmer mist. Another Project Life card that is just attached with a little paper clip. And some of my faux vellum. Another tip in. And of course another Volkswagen bus. The colors in this, just every time I see the colors I just love it. This envelope, I had a little round dot in it, so I decided that it needed a little crocheted flower right behind it, so I had fun with that. And of course more little cards and another little journal spot. And I like this one. Some of the envelopes have the security stuff on them. This is where the crayon resisted the watercolor. More little cards and journal spots, and I have to have lots of spots for journaling. And the sound is just so much fun. And some more faux vellum. Oh, this was a fun peace symbol I found. It was really cool. Journal spot. And tags. And all the envelopes are just covered with this fun colors and some more little tags. This is just scrap paper that I folded in half and distressed around the edges. Another tuck in. Oops, paper clip wasn't on where it was supposed to be. So this is another one of my flower paper clips. Now I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Now why is that paper clip not going on there? I don't know me today. Please give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos, if there's anything you'd like to see, please give me a holler and leave a comment, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. And that's the journal flip for the Flower Power Journal. You guys have a fun afternoon. Thanks so much for coming to visit me, and make sure to go watch Dawn's video at Let's Make a Mess Today.